Hello, and welcome back to Module 1. In this mini lecture, we will learn about the types of challenges that people experience when there is a crisis. We will also learn about how crises affect individuals. Unfortunately, there are many emergencies that are affecting the health and well-being of teachers and students around the world. For example, there are natural disasters. There is poverty, violence. There are wars, and in some places there is social and political chaos. In the English language classroom, there are many challenges that teachers must face. Students may come to class without having food to eat or a safe place to live. They may be new to our classroom, our school, our community, and our country. In our classroom, there may be students who all have different home languages, or L1s. We may be unable to speak their language, and they may not be able to communicate to us what they need. They may be scared and stressed and worried about the future. While we cannot control the dangers of the world for our students, we can provide a safe space in the English classroom for them to grow, learn, and heal from the traumas they have experienced. There are many challenges connected with crises, and if you are taking this class, you probably have experienced some of them yourself. We know that living in a crisis situation can harm our physical health and our mental health. We know that a crisis often brings a lack of resources like food, shelter, electricity, and access to the internet. We know that stress can impact families in many ways, and that children feel that stress too. We know that in times of crisis, it is harder to think, pay attention, and learn. And finally, we know that school provides an important routine that gives students a sense of normalcy, belonging, and safety. Often, when crises happen, schools must close, or schooling must shift from in-person to remote instruction. Having a plan for how to transition from in-person to remote learning makes that change easier for teachers, students, and their families. While there are many things for teachers in emergencies to know, there are 3 key facts, according to the experts from around the world. Students need routines, structure, and predictability to feel safe and to plan for the future. School is the first way that we can provide that routine for children. Even if school is not in person, or if school is closed for a while, children need to know that their teachers still care about their learning and are there for them. Relationships, socialization, and a sense of belonging are some of the most important things school can provide. Students need opportunities to talk and learn with their friends and teachers in order to develop, to feel safe, and to have hope for the future. Students need an understanding of what is happening around them. Teachers should not pretend that everything is normal if it is not. Students who know a little bit, in general and age-appropriate words, about what is happening are better able to learn, manage the uncertainty around them, and plan for their futures. You will be learning more about all of this as you take this course. Right now, it is important for you to know that you are doing essential and difficult work that will help so many students. Thank you for caring about your students and for the hard work that you are doing each and every day in and out of the classroom.